Good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, Cute Vlog Collection. Today, I will give you information about this nutritious vegetable, the ampalaya, or also known as bitter gourd. As you can see in its name, it is sometimes referred to as bitter melon too. Ampalaya is known for its distinctive bitterness. And it isn't entirely uncommon for diners to reject a strong acrid taste. Some detest even the mildest trace of bitterness. There are 10 surprising health benefits of ampalaya, and what are these? 1. Good for diabetics. Bitter gourd has a compound that functions similar to insulin. In fact, bitter gourd are often coined together. It reduces the blood glucose levels in both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. 2. Good for the skin and hair. Ampalaya or bitter gourd is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and C, which are good for the skin. It reduces aging and fights acne and skin blemishes. 3. Liver cleanser. Ampalaya or bitter gourd is liver-friendly and detoxifies. It boosts liver enzymes and is a good cure for a hangover as it reduces alcohol deposits on the liver. The bladder and the gut also benefit from consuming Karela. 4. Good for digestion. Karela is full of fiber and helps improve bowel movement. It relieves constipation and settles the stomach. 5. Improves cardiac health. Bitter gourd reduces bad cholesterol and decreases the risk of suffering a heart attack. The fiber also helps to unclog the arteries. 6. Combats cancer. Bitter gourd boosts immunity and prevents allergies and infections. But its most significant benefit is that it fights cancer. It works against cancer cells proliferation and stops tumor formation. 7. Weight management. Bitter gourd aids in weight loss as it is low in calories and fiber-rich. It stops the formation and growth of adipose cells, the ones that store fat in the body. It improves metabolism, and the antioxidants help detoxify the body, leading to the reduction in fat. 8. Heals wounds. Bitter gourd has great healing properties. It controls the blood flow and blood clotting that helps in quicker healing of wounds and reduction in infections. 9. Blood purifier. Bitter gourd has a high amount of antioxidants, and this helps it to cure many problems related to corrupted blood. Regular consumption of bitter gourd leads to improvement in skin, hair, and cancer problems. Also, it helps to improve blood circulation. 10. Energizes the body. The body's stamina and energy levels show remarkable improvement after regularly consuming Karela. It even helps improve sleep quality and reduces sleep problems like insomnia. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more health benefits. Let's eat bitter gourd now.